India size and location. Question 1. The Tropic of Cancer does not pass through Rajasthan, Orissa, Chhattisgarh, Tripura. Answer is Orissa. Now it is Odisha. Question 2. The easternmost longitude of India is 97 degree 25 east, 68 degree 7 east, 77 degree 6 east, 82 degree 32 east. Answer is 97 degree 25 east. 3. Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal and Sikkim have common frontiers with China, Bhutan, Nepal, Myanmar. Answer is Nepal. If you intended to visit Karavati during your summer vacations, which one of the following union territories of India you will be going to? Puducherry, Lakshadweep, Andaman and Nicobar, Diu and Daman. Answer is Lakshadweep. Question number 5. My friend hails from a country which does not share land boundary with India. Identify the country. Bhutan, Tajikistan, Bangladesh, Nepal. Answer is Tajikistan. Question number 6. How many states and union territories does India have? India has 26 states and 7 union territories. India has 25 states and 7 union territories. India has 28 states and 7 union territories. India has 28 states and 6 union territories. Answer is India has 28 states and 7 union territories. Question number 7. Which line divides India into approximately 2 equal parts? Equator, Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn. None of these. Answer is Tropic of Cancer. Question number 8. What is the position of India in the world in respect of area? 8th position, 7th position, 6th position, 2nd position. Answer is 7th position. Which meridian is fixed as a standard meridian of India? 82.5 degree east, 84.5 degree east, 86 east, 81 degree east. Answer is 82.5 degree east. Question number 10. The latitudinal extent of India lies between 7 degree 5 north and 26 degree 5 north, 8 degree 4 north and 36 degree 6 north, 12 degree 5 north and 27 degree 5 north, 12 degree 5 north and 37 degree 6 north. Answer is 8 degree 4 north and 37 degree 6 north. Question number 11. Tropic of Cancer passes through which of these states? Orissa, Tripura, Bihar, Punjab. Answer is Tripura. Question 12. Which of the following longitudes is selected as the standard meridian for India? 68 degree 7 east, 82 degree 30 east, 97 degree 25 east, 23 degree 30 north. Answer is 82 degree 30 east. Question number 13. Which of the following is the oldest route of contact between India and the other countries of the world? Ocean routes, maritime contact, land routes, air routes. Answer is land routes. 14. How many states and union territories are there in India? 28 states and 7 union territories including Delhi, 23 states and 12 union territories, 26 states and 9 union territories, 30 states and 5 union territories. Answer is 28 states and 7 union territories including Delhi. Number 15. India achieved multifaceted socio-economic progress during which of the following periods? Since ancient times, during medieval period, in the 21st century, during the last 5 decades. Answer is during the last 5 decades. Question number 16. Which of the following is the longitudinal extent of India? 8 degree 4 north and 37 degree 6 north, 68 degree 7 north and 97 degree 25 east, 68 degree 7 east and 97 degree 25 west, 8 degree 4 east and 37 degree 6 east. Answer is 68 degree 7 north and 97 degree 25 east. Question number 17. The easternmost longitude of India is 11 degree 25 east, 68 degree 7 east, 77 degree 6 east, 82 degree 32 east. Answer 97 degree 25 east. Question number 18. Which latitude passes through the southernmost point of India's mainland? 8 degree 4 north, 37 degree 6 north, 8 degree 4 south, 82 degree 30 east. Answer is 8 degree 4 north. Question number 19. Which of the following groups of islands belongs to the Indian territories lies in the Arabian Sea? Andaman and Nicobar Island, Sri Lanka, Lakshadweep, Maldives. Answer is Lakshadweep. Question number 21. Which geographical feature bonds India's mainland south of 22 degree north latitude? Engfold Mountains, sandy desert, lava plateau, seas and ocean. Answer is seas and ocean. Question number 22. Both the latitudinal and longitudinal extent of India's mainland is about 30 degree, but on looking at the map of India, which of the following alternatives do you observe about India's size? East-west extent appears to be smaller than north-south extent. East-west extent appears to be larger than north-south extent. East-west and north-south extent appears equal. North-south extent appears to be smaller than east-west extent. Answer is east-west extent appears to be smaller than north-south extent. Number 23. If the local time of Dwarka 69 degrees 1 east in Gujarat to the west of the India is 6 am, what will be the local time at Diburga 94 degree 58 east approximately 95 in Assam in the east? 4.16 am, 6 am, 7.44 am, 7.44 pm. Answer is 7.44 am. The standard meridian of India 82 degree 30 east passes through which of the following places? Kanyakumari in Tamil Nadu, Walangu in Arunachal Pradesh, Kancha in Gujarat, Mirzapur in Uttar Pradesh. Answer is Mirzapur in Uttar Pradesh. Question number 25. Which of the following has reduced India's distance from Europe by 7,000 km? Suez Canal, Panama Canal, Indira Gandhi Canal, Buckingham Canal. Answer is Suez Canal.